Hello students, welcome to your spelling test for Sort 33P. I'll say each word once, but you can listen to this screencast as many times as you need to. Number 1, pause. Dogs have 4 paws. Pause. Number 2, frost. There was frost on the ground when we left for school this morning. Frost. Number 3, laugh. It's fun to laugh until your stomach hurts. Laugh. Four, song. What is your favorite song from music? Song. 5, draw. Many fifth graders love to draw. Draw. 6, lawn. In the summer, we mow the lawn. Lawn. 7, sauce. Pasta with red sauce is a favorite. Sauce. 8, taught. What's one thing your teacher taught you last year? Taught. 9, law. It's the law that students go to school. Law. And 10, pause. Where's the pause button on the recorder? Pause.